Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with Jeans from the Steampunk Extras set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. He was black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with black grey for all of the clothing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start adding in the highlights for all of the clothing using dark sea green. This is going over all of those folds and the raised areas. For the metal parts, I went for a once over using plate armour. With the armour now done, I move on to all the leather straps and the belt with Cuirass leather. There is a lot of white detailing all over his clothing. For this, I get started with silver grey, since this covers fairly well over black. his scarf, I went for Demon Red as the base colour. Some of the metal parts are actually gold, so all these bits get a quick once over with glistening gold. His face and hands get a base coat with Dwarven skin. Now that I've finished the mini though, I do realise I could have probably just gone straight for the highlight colour of Elven skin, as the wash darkens it down. To add some edge highlight into the leather parts, I used Wasteland brown just to bring up these sharp edges. The base, as always, gets a once over with Plague brown. Now to wash the mini with Oblivion black wash. Everything gets a wash with the same colour just to essentially save some time in painting the mini. With the wash now dry, I come in with Elven skin to start highlighting up the skin. This is more than my usual highlight, as I just want to leave that darker tone in the darkest shadows. To highlight the red, I used Fanatic orange, which makes that red pop that bit more and still keeps it looking red. Some of the armour panels needed brightening up a bit, so I grabbed a Mythril blade and just touched up some of the more raised parts of the armour. The wash darkened down the white trim way too much, so I needed to bring it back up. I used the white star just to bring up a few parts of them, just enough to really sell the look that it's white without having to do the whole thing again. To finish off the base, I paint on some sandy desert texture paste. And that will be it for jeans. I'm really not a fan of this mini. It's one of those ones that it feels like it has too much detail, or you could have lifted off probably half of that trim and it would have been the same sort of style. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.